Hello and welcome to maybe the 1000th time I've tried to do this voiceover. My name is Gigi. This is Glam Tones, and today we're going to do a very glam wedding set. It's going to be animal print inspired because not all brides want a completely sedate wedding, and maybe our bride today wants a white wedding, but she needs a little spice in there. She needs a little wild. She needs a little fun, and this is the set for her. We're gonna go ahead and paint 3 of these in that real pretty Kiara Sky color we have, that sandy color. 2 of them were already painted white, and that's because, guys, I had a different vision in my head for the animal print, but I couldn't make it work out. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it was, because I'm not done with it. I'm going to keep trying to figure it out, and when I do, we'll do it together on the channel. So we're going to do our animal print today a little different. We're going to do silver as our little splotches, and we're going to ring them in the white color. I think it just gives a different vibe to the animal print. I really like it when animal print is done unexpectedly. So I would say that wearing it for your wedding nails, unexpected. Silver and white, unexpected. So you get a little cool vibe no matter which way you think about it, right? And this is definitely for that girl who keeps it really fun and interesting, and maybe she's got a sharp wit and a sharp tongue and doesn't pull any punches and doesn't take any crap, and she wants a little something to reflect that in her wedding look. And I think having a very subtle animal print is a great way to do that. And I think the white pops off of the tan color, the sand color, and rings the silver really nicely. So I was really happy with how this came out, even though it's not what I had in mind. It is and isn't at the same time, because the technique I wanted to use was not working for me. I had a vision and I couldn't make it work. So I'm not giving up though. I'm not gonna give up. So you never know when the next animal print set might show up, because I don't think my brain will let me let it go. I just don't think there's any way that's gonna happen. So definitely let me know in the comment section below, would you wear animal print for your wedding? Are you into weddings at all even? I mean, not everybody is, but it is wedding season. And I will have to say, having been married twice, I'm not really into weddings either. So, but you know what? I'm still a girl. I still like the dresses. I still like the glam. I still like the nails and the shoes. And who doesn't like to have drinks and dancing and food? So I guess weddings aren't that bad. It's maybe the marriage that I'm not that thrilled with. Who knows? Who knows, guys? All right, we're going to finish up our third one here. Let me know. What are your plans for the weekend? Do you guys have anything fun going on? I actually do not. But that doesn't mean things couldn't happen. Who knows, right? Anything could happen. My big plans, I think, for the weekend are a little housework and some reading. I've got some things that I'm trying to learn, and I want to spend a little time with that. And I have been doing on my World of Warcraft game a lot of battlegrounds. Who likes PvP? Any gamers out there? I love doing PvP on World of Warcraft. Some PvP I'm not that good at, like those first-person shooter games. I'm not good at those. I get killed immediately. So I'm not sure how to crack that. But I do really like gaming, and I like horror gaming a lot. Like Resident Evil is technically my favorite game. I am gonna dip really close to the edge there. Sorry about that, guys. But we are finishing up this last animal print nail. And then we're gonna move on to the bling portion of the video. And I really like the animal print, but I like the way the bling came out a lot. So if I was doing this on you or me, I would totally use my bling jelly, but I am not going to waste that Carmen is so gentle on her nails, she won't lose a thing. So we're just going to put down some of this Saviland builder gel, and I'm using builder gel because it's a little thicker, and so my gems are more likely to stay where I put them. If I were to do top coat or something, they would just slide everywhere. And we're going to do a lot, so I don't want them to move. So what I'm doing, I've got those real cool, clear, kind of champagne color gems. And depending on how you look at them, and you're gonna see this a lot in the reveal shots, depending on how you look at them, they look clear, or they look champagne, or they look blue. You can see that right there. When the light bounces off of it, you get that real pretty blue color. So I love these. They go with so many things. And depending on what you set them next to, they also will give you a different shade, right? So I'm just using those gems and this little package that I got from Shein, I want to say, and I am just doing like a flower and a gemstone chain that flows across the nail, and I'm adding the little micro beads to give it more of a jewelry flair, because it is a wedding set, so you really want to take it to the next level. You want to give all the bells and all the whistles. And if the girl wants bling, give her bling, okay? And even if if the groom wants bling, give him bling, okay? I don't care who wants the nails done. It's their wedding day. Let them have what they want. And I think the white flowers on the white nail with the pretty gems that glint from color to color is very eye-catching and very wedding. I love how all of these look together. You think of flowers with weddings. You think of white with weddings. You think of bling, wedding. So it's all the elements brought into the nails. And of course, then we've got that really pretty cheetah print, animal print, whatever. It could be leopard. I don't know the difference. I mean, I think if I saw the animals, I would know the difference, right? But I don't think I've studied what's the difference in their print, right? I'm sure there is one. If you know, let me know. Just school me right now. I need to be schooled. Oh, and we're also occasionally throwing down a little pearl, a nice little pearl on there. But we took that one off because it was too big and I didn't like it. And of course, something big up there at the cuticle, that's gonna pop right off. No matter how much you try to keep it in, something that big is gonna pop off. So let's go ahead and do the same process on this really cute little pinky nail. But we bring it down to a smaller level, of course. There are different sizes of the flowers and the gems. So instead of the bigger ones we used on the pointer finger, or index finger, if you will, we're just using slightly smaller ones on the pinky nail. Oh wow, losing words right there, losing words. And there's our micro beads. Okay, anybody, if you have a crazy or cool or fun wedding story, let us know in the comment section. We want to hear it. I had one small wedding and one Vegas wedding. The first wedding was outdoors and it was cute. And my cake was cute. My dress was cute. Not a traditional wedding dress, but it was, had a handkerchief hem and white with purple flowers, very light, lilac-y purple flowers, very airy and breezy. And my second wedding was jeans and sandals in front of Reverend Rudy at the, which chapel was it? The one that Joan Rivers got married at. I forget the name. Best Little Wedding Chapel or something like that. And neither one of those marriages lasted. So I did get two great kids out of the last one. And there you go. I just moved on from that. Marriage is tough. If you have a long-lasting marriage, congratulations. What was your secrets? Tell us. Give us the secrets. I think probably picking the right person is maybe the best secret, right? Yeah, I think maybe I didn't pick the right people. Okay, we are finishing up here on the gems on this set. Guys, I really struggled with this video. I struggled with making the nails. I'm really struggling with this voiceover so hard, but we're 10 minutes into it and I am not restarting it again. This is probably the 10th attempt at this. Sometimes I find the voiceover to be the most difficult part of doing the videos. Even when I'm struggling with a technique on the nail art part, that's fun, right? I get so into it. Time passes so fast. And before I know it, you know, I'm like, oh wow, I've been working on this for hours. Let me get away from this desk. But the voiceover part still, it can be a little daunting sometimes because you're trying to fill the time, you're trying to be entertaining, you're trying to give good personality and good sass or whatever is your flair. And sometimes it's not that easy. And I don't write a script for this or anything. I just, you know, free ball it. So it's sometimes I feel like I'm not quite cutting it, right? But that's okay. That's part of the process of learning to make videos and learning to entertain people and learning to share yourself in a really authentic way that people will engage with. So thank you very much for sharing my struggles with me and helping me to be better at this, because every comment that you leave, whether it's a criticism, a critique, or encouragement, or hey, I really like this set, it all drives me forward. So thank you for being part of my journey and for watching these videos. Guys, this is the end. Thank goodness. We're doing some top coat. I'm going to top coat the 3 animal print nails and pop those in the lamp. And then we're going to pick up the white ones and do them, because with all the gems that are on there, I want to be really careful not to get anything on top of them, because if you do that, you know it, you ruin everything. It does not look good anymore. So we're just going to come in and just very carefully swipe right next to the gems. And I am going to take a little brush, not a little brush, it's longer, but it's skinny, a skinny brush, and use it to make sure that I butt up against the gems but don't get on them. And you will see that I'm searching for it right now, and here we go, just right up against it. I need a little bit more polish, right up against it, just making sure everything is surrounded by top coat but not covered. It's taking the little extra time to do these little things. That's where all the magic is, right? That's where you get that perfect professional look, right? If you don't take the time to do those things, it looks like you did them at home, which of course I am doing them at home, but if you're out wearing your nails, you want everyone to go, oh my God, your nails are so great. Where did you get them done? Haha, I did them myself. So this is just one of the things, the icing on the cake, if you will, of doing your nails, is just doing that top coat. Just so careful and so special and pretty. And this is the finished set. Guys, it took me a minute, but I actually really like these. I wasn't sure how I felt about the animal print at first, but I really do like it. I think I didn't like it at first because it wasn't what I had in my head, but it came out okay. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And again, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and any day that you do. Hope to see you back here on Monday for another cool video. And until then, have a fabulous weekend. Mwah! Bye-bye.